Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have April's Globein box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Globein for April just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Globein, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, if you guys don't know about Globein, you can actually pick the normal theme for that month. You can have them surprise you for that month, or you can choose between all of their amazing several different things that they have to offer. So you can choose what you actually would like to utilize for yourself or for a gift or whichever. So let's go ahead and dive in, and I will show you which box that I chose for this month. Oh, I cut the tape. Did you see that? I cut the tape and this came right out. That came right out with it. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys. So let's dive in and let's see all of the different items that are going to be in this themed box. Let me remove all of this. So this theme that I chose is called the Hostess Box. So let's go ahead and get into the first box and see what is going to be down inside of here. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. That's way prettier in person than seeing it on the computer. That is gorgeous. Look at that mosaic glass, different pieces in there. That's gorgeous. So it has to go with this right here. So how does this work? Let's see. I guess you take this off, take that off, set this down, okay. And then I like to use battery operated tea light candles in these to sit like outside on my patio. So that's probably what I'm going to do with this one as well. That is so beautiful. Look. That is simply gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And that's not the whole thing for this box. That's just the one thing that I'm just like awe over. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me see if I can find out where this was made at least. It says Mosaic Table Lantern was made in India. The artist that made this is an expert for creating colorful lanterns with 20 years of experience. What? Wow, I can tell he has some 20 years of experience because that is actually gorgeous. I'm definitely going to put a light in it and I will show you what it looks like illuminated at night. That is so cool. So then the next thing we have in here is Casablanca Market whole Moroccan purple olives. Now, do you kind of see where I'm going with the olives? The olives are from Morocco, hence Moroccan purple olives. So that is really neat because I can't wait to try these in like a dirty martini. If you guys follow me, you know I love my dirty martinis. And this guy is going to help get that olive out of that container. This is the olive picker. This was made in Tunisia? Tunisia? I've never heard of that. Tunisia. Wow. And that's like handcrafted out of wood. And you have a little, you can shank your olive and pull it out. And yes, you have an olive picker. Now, the final item in this set is right down in here. Let's get this one out of its box so we can take a look at it. And then here is the serving dish. When I saw it online, I thought there were 3 different bowls, but it's actually all connected, one that's actually really unique, and I've never seen anything like that before. So if you have this sit down, you can have different things. You can even put like nuts are in here. You can put olives and whatever. You can have this used for anything. There's countless possibilities that you can use this for, but I thought this was really neat to have like in my kitchen when I do make my dirty martinis or whatever, or if I have people over, I can put little snacks or something like that in here and set out. So I thought that was really neat. But there is that, and this is handmade. This is made in Morocco as well. And there's the bottom. That is so pretty. Like even the design comes down to the sides of all of them. So when they're sitting together, this just is a cohesive set all in one. That is so neat. And I like all the different colors inside of there. So again, you guys, this is the Hostess Box. So you can be a great hostess when people come over to your house. If you have any small house guest parties over, you know, small now, not big, but you have your olives, you have your serving tray, you have the olive poker outer, and then the most beautiful lantern. I'm going to call this one the star of the show. This is gorgeous. You can set it inside, you can set it on your patio, you can use this anywhere. And I love those colors, and it's going to look gorgeous in my patio because if you guys don't know, some of you guys have seen photos. My patio is literally orange, green, blue, red. Like it is all of those colors. So this turned out perfect. That is why I really, really love that you can choose the ones that you would like. So again, when the month comes, you can go through, you can either have the monthly one because they have their new monthly ones that they have every month, or you can choose from all of their different curated boxes. And that's one thing that I just genuinely really love about Globein, because you're choosing the one that is right for you. Or if you see something that you've already had or similar to something that you've had and you want to get somebody that as a gift, you can always choose a box that would be intended as a gift for somebody else for the future as well. So always keep that in mind. If there's something that you're like, I'm just not sure this month, you can skip it. You can pause it, you can cancel it anytime, or you can pick one and use it as a gift idea, which is amazing. They also have a shop. You can buy individual items personally from their shop, just individual items. That's where I got like my amazing wind chimes and different little glass pieces that I have in my house is where I got them from their shop when I was first getting the subscription box like 2-3 years ago now. So this is just amazing. If you guys want to know a little bit more about Globein and the pricing for the monthly box that they do, I will let you know right about now. Globein did give me a code, which is SheCrafty. That'll get you 50% off your first month's box for every 3-month subscription or higher. If you go to a 3-month subscription, $38 per box. If you go to 6 months, it brings it to $35. And if you go to 12 months, it'll bring it down to $33 per box. Our mission: we deliver joy by empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers. We empower remarkable artisans in remote areas with the tools to build sustainable businesses. Providing connection and guidance, we help our partners feel stronger, more confident, and in control of their lives through the expansion of their craft. As servant leaders, we improve the lives of our artisans so they can take great care of themselves, their families, and their community. So Globein literally goes out to all different amazing countries that we never would have known about. And they find these remarkable artisans that make incredible things by hand. I love all of their glassware, the pitchers, the wine glasses, the regular glasses, the stemless wine glasses, like all the blown glasses, just beautiful. We help our customers discover amazing goods in distant lands from the comfort of their home. Through our delightful, useful, and vibrant goods, we offer our customers the means to feel well-traveled and culturally experienced. For our artisans in the developing world, we give their businesses global reach, so we connect them with customers to share their extraordinary creations and inspiring stories. And that they definitely do, you guys. So you comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this one that I chose? Again, I chose this one because I was really excited about the olives and the olive serving tray and this lantern. I got the best of both worlds, I believe, in this Hostess box. So you guys comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the items that I received? What do you think of Globein? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.